lucky.
Are we starting?
I mean, yeah, we've already filmed it right now. We're just gonna.
Oh, I didn't even know we were starting.
I mean, I guess we should do an intro. Welcome to Blind Bakery. Today we're making calzones. Are you excited, Xavier?
I'm tired.
Tell the camera you're excited.
I'm so excited to be here.
Thank you, buddy. I love you.
Isn't that just like bacteria or something?
Yeah, it's something strange. I don't know.
Everything's
Yeast is.
bacteria.
You know what? That is factual. Hold on.
It's special bacteria.
Dude,
It's
everything
pizza
is special.
bacteria.
Actually, I gotta give you a tiny bit because I have a whole bunch of mine.
You got a whole bunch.
I got a whole bunch.
I'm feeling like I need flour.
Also, let's wish Zach a very happy birthday. He is Unk today. He is 19.
Oh, I'm dead.
Old head.
All right, guys. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. Wait, aren't I supposed to add water?
Yeah. We added water to the last one.
I think I'm gonna.
I've always known that.
That's a lot of water, bro.
No, it's not. That was like, you put in a lot of water.
Not that much.
What do you mean? It just looks like a lot because I even out my flour.
I added too much water. Could you throw me a little flour in my hand, just like a
Oh
little?
yeah, Doc.
Thank you. Thank you.
How about that?
Yeah, that'll work.
There you go. Who would like to mix this for me? Oh. I need an autism diagnosis bad.
Mine's beautiful, and you guys are judging me.
No one judged you. I want to be
No,
honest.
I'm judging.
Hakuna Matata.
Wonderful for age
It means no worries.
for the rest of your days.
Disney, you fell off hard.
Disney, you're ruining Star Wars. What is my dog doing?
Am I putting it on?
Bro, get down.
This is like,
Hold on, let me
You
make
need
sure I
more
got
flour, bro.
my hands are dirty.
I don't think dough's supposed to do this.
Look at mine though.
I messed that up.
Look how good mine is.
How did you do that?
I clutched up. I understand now. I should probably, wait, what do we need to preheat the oven to, do you remember?
400.
400? I love you. Because you just have a lot of yeast in there, and the yeast is just making it hard. That's a lot of flour.
It's okay. I needed it.
Oh my god.
Abuse the bread.
I have venom on my hands.
That's what I'm
Yeah, there you
He
go.
was white though.
How long do you think we should cook them for?
20.
30.
18. 18 minutes.
Stretch your.
It's gonna go in the oven anyways. We mop pretty often. The mop's
The
right.
bacteria is gonna burn. It's okay.
All right, guys, we're back. We're making our calzones now. They've been in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Guys, I'm feeling optimistic about my pizza.
I'm not.
Hold on, let me see if I got no Parmesan on.
I like
No way we have no Parmesan on. We have to have some Parmesan.
And load this
Just some
up.
bingus. All right, guys, this is our calzone. It's looking beautiful.
You live in America?
Zach's.
$10,000. This is mine.
Xavier, I'd spray the pan if I were you.
This is Ricky. Being
All right, we're putting them in the oven. You guys ready?
Wait, do I need to move the camera? I don't know.
Nah,
Oven time.
I'll move them in a minute. Whew. 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 Ladies, calm down. Whew.
Yeah. Don't put them.
Who's gonna stop me? Zach, you should give me something to set them on real quick.
Alright.
Right there.
Thank you, buddy. You grab something else for the other one. Whew.
Wow, guys.
Wow.
This one on the right might need a little bit more time.
That one looks.
Actually, no, it looks kind of cooked at the top. I don't know.
Did mine explode?
No, it looks kind of good.
Well, we can just use a rag, right? Mine is.
Yeah, that works. It's just a little hot, so please hurry.
Bingo.
All right,
Bingo,
guys.
we got eggs.
Kaboom. 5 big booms in the chat. I really wanted a calzone today. All right, you guys ready?
It was his determination.
I don't know about a cheese pull, but it's looking pretty good in there. It smells pretty good in there. I'm gonna go give the camera a gander.
Honestly, I think yours is gonna taste the best.
It might.
His might taste really good.
That cheese.
Oh, no, beautiful.
Wow.
Yuck. But in a good way.
My dough doesn't taste bad.
Mine tastes pretty good.
Surprisingly.
I need some more sauce in mine.
Alright, Gareth's taste test.
This is my
It's pretty good.
All right, guys. Ricky had to go and do
Ricky
an inter-
died.
Ricky died. I was trying to give it to you soft, but
Passed away.
he's dead. He's gone. Anyways, so we got to continue on doing our rating, even though Ricky has gone on to the afterlife. So I'm gonna give let's do a rating for looks. What do you think, Xavier?
Gareth, 100%.
Yeah, Gareth has looks on.
Gareth had that golden
Ladies,
brown
ladies, please.
color. It was so perfect, so round.
Anyways, what about taste?
Taste? I'm gonna give it to Xavier. I like this bread a lot.
Actually, I think
I like yours.
I'm gonna give it to Zach. I think
Yeah.
I liked his bread. I think if it was just bread, you'd win. But
I needed to add more stuff.
yeah, like I don't know, Zach's he just had like a real
It's because
thin
he had the
crust.
thinner crust.
Because he had the thin crust with the sauce. I don't know. I like Zach's a lot. I don't know who I'd vote for best on looks. If I couldn't vote, my magnificent one, probably
You can't just vote yourself, bro.
Actually, I'd probably give it to Xavier. His was looking pretty good. It wasn't that golden brown, but it just had a real
It
nice
looked-
shape. Real
Yeah,
nice
that's
shape.
true.
Anyways, that was a somewhat schmacking meal, I suppose. This was a good episode of Blind Bakery, wouldn't you say?
I would say 100%.
It was a wonderful episode.
Wonderful episode.
Another happy birthday to Zach.
Probably the tastiest one, honestly.
Oh yeah, I like this one. And the pizza one. You missed the pizza one though. You weren't there for
I was
that.
sad.
Yeah, that one was real good. Anyways, bye guys.
Bye.
Poor little Ricky couldn't be in the end.